Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on copying messages on Signal. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. In the chat that you want to copy a message from, hold down on the message that you want to copy. An Actions menu will appear at the bottom of the page. Tap on the copy icon that looks like two pages. You can then paste the message like normal wherever you like. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Signal tips and tricks.